Your Solana meme coins are going to zero. Okay, maybe not zero, but a lot of these projects are going to trend towards zero, and it might be time to take some profit if you're way up on your Solana meme coins and put it into these 5 altcoins that I think are the 5 strongest projects in the entire Solana ecosystem. It's time to discover crypto. All right, guys, I just put out this tweet. What are the best projects on Solana that aren't meme coins? Because the purpose of this video is to invest your Solana profits into strong projects. Now, there's nothing wrong with holding Solana, but some of these projects I think are going to outperform, at least on some of these shorter time frames. Now, the first project we're going to look at, I've already mentioned, that is Pith. Now, Pith, some interesting things about this token. First, it is a slightly newer token. You see it launched in November of last year. Right now, hovering around $1, got rejected off $1, went below, tried it again, got rejected one more time, tried a third time, couldn't quite hold that support above $1. Right now, we're down 4%. But over the past month, this coin has just been doing incredible. And if you see here, it had very nice spikes up to $1.20. This one was above $1.10. Now, fully diluted market cap is a little bit scary here, folks. You can see it has a market cap of $1.4 billion. But what is Pith and why am I bullish on it? Well, Pith is the chain link of Solana. And if you look at Chainlink's valuation of $11 billion, and then you look at Pith at 1.4, you can see a little bit of a 7-8x. So there's still some upside here. But let me warn you, there's a warning about Pith. This is very important. There is a huge token unlock happening soon. More than what is already circulating will be released in a little less than 2 months. So I would wait for a cheaper entry. I think it could go higher, but I can't imagine this is going to have some sort of detrimental effect on the price. I do think it could bounce in the days leading up to the token event. Maybe the selling pressure will be exhausted at that point, but very, very bullish on Pith. Now, the second project I mentioned is FIDA or FIDA. It is BoneFi here, and it is a much, much smaller market cap. You see it is $60 million. Why am I bullish on it? What is FIDA? Well, FIDA is the Solana name service, aka ENS for Solana. Solana name service, SNSDIDS, if you want to follow them, powered by BoneFi. So this is the underlying protocol powering that name service token there. ENS has a valuation of $692 million. But when we hit max and we hit market cap, you can see at one point it was $1.6 billion, almost a 3x from where we're at now, 2.5x. Now, if we go back to BoneFi, $60 million market cap looks incredibly small. I'm not saying this is going to go to $1.6 billion, but I think this could touch or flirt with the $1 billion valuation. If it were to hit $1 billion, folks, you're looking at pretty close to a 15x from that level, $7, $8 BoneFi. So very bullish on this one as well. Now, if we go to the next coin, everybody, this is coin number 3. This is Rollbit. Rollbit is essentially the largest GambleFi token in the ecosystem. We go to their max, they're way down from their all-time highs here, near 25 cents. And this isn't like a lot of projects where you hit the market cap and you're like, oh, well, the pump's already in. We're all-time highs now. What are you talking about? No. There's still room for this one to grow. Got pretty close to $1 billion valuation, and right now, 296. So I think $1 billion, very, very attainable. That'll be a 3x for them. I'm seeing a lot of people on X saying, dollar Rollbit is in the cards. And the most bullish thing about Rollbit is a huge partnership that they just signed. Now, FaZe Banks, love him or hate him, he's starting to lean back into crypto, and FaZe Clan, I think, is going to get more popular because of that. So they have partnered with FaZe Esports and the official Counter-Strike gaming partner here. I think that's going to bring up a lot of attention. I think Solana is going to have a lot of attention this bull run. And I think a lot of people are going to use crypto for their degen tendencies, aka roll over to Rollbit and, maybe spend a little Solana there. So that's coin number 3. I wouldn't sleep on this one. It's already down from its all-time high. I think this one has a lot of room to grow here. All right, coin number 4. It's a little bit of a pick and shovels play. It is Jupiter. It is the newest, hottest DEX on Solana. Used to be Radium. That's where all the attention was. But Jupiter was a free airdrop that was given to people for using the exchange. I got a little bit there. Taco got some as well. And people were fading this token. Oh, it's given for free. People are just going to dump it. But it's just been on a run from a little bit below 50 cents. If we look at the market cap there, $1.7 billion. Why is DZ bullish? Where can this thing go, everybody? Well, if we look at the closest competitor, which is Uniswap, Uniswap has a market cap of 10 billion. But wait, there's more. If we hit max, woo! Uniswap hit a $20 billion valuation. I think it could hit $30 or $40 billion this bull run. If we go to Jupiter, 1.7. I mean, if it were to hit, let's just say $17 billion valuation, you're still looking at a 10x from that level. I expect a lot of sell pressure near the $10 psychological level, though. So a lot of people are going to be trying to get rid of their token around those levels. And jupe.ag, if you want to use the site, we might just auto-populates BOEM. That's great. Might actually, I'm going to buy the fifth token. I'm going to show you how to buy these tokens as well. So Jupe, I wouldn't sleep on Jupe. Now, the last and most interesting coin, this coin I think is the funnest coin. And it's definitely the most novel and unique coin out of these five here. The project is called Honey, aka HiveMapper. Now, this is just one of the ones I saw someone throw out my way. I was like, all right, I'll check that out. Whoa, actually looks pretty cool. Mike made the cut. Well, Joe, it did make the cut here. So now we're looking at Hive. Now, what is Hive? Why is DZ bullish on it? Well, you can see, all right, $150 million market cap. We go to the max. Whoa, okay. Also way down, from its all-time highs. You see, okay, market cap. All right, there's definitely a token releasing event there, but we're still below. Okay. HiveMapper is Google Maps on the blockchain, everybody. HiveMapper starts with the bold dream. Millions of people working together to build the world's freshest map, sharing the rewards of what they built. So you see your local road, there's some construction. You share that, you get rewarded in this token. I went down to their website. I went to the Atlanta area. Folks, I think there's actually some decent opportunity to maybe make some funds here. You can see a lot of these residential areas are not mapped. So it looks like some people just kind of hit some of these main roads. And we read what they say here. HiveMapper makes maps like Beehive makes honey. Bees in the beehive work together, playing different roles. HiveMapper contributors play different roles to make the freshest map for the benefit of people everywhere. Some people use dash cams to take pictures. Some people known as AI trainers look at pictures and teach computers what humans know about the world, aka these roads that they are mapping. Some people use the app to share important information such as which roads are closed or being repaired. I think there's going to be a lot of upgrades. You'll see a pothole. Oh, I type in there's a pothole near this intersection, and maybe in the future someone's like, hey, appreciate you warning me on this pothole. Maybe that person gets rewarded for saving your rim, saving your tires. So very, very interesting project. And I said I'll show you how to buy these altcoins as well. This is, for some of you, this is going to be the first time you're seeing this. So you got to get what they call the contract address here. And when there's multiple chains, there'll be a drag down menu, but this is the contract address for Solana. I just copied it. We go over to Jupiter. I don't want to buy any BOEM. And if you want to buy some, you pull this drop down menu and then you just paste the contract address, and it's that simple, everybody. And then it'll add the trading pair right there. Let's say, I think I want to get an even number. One Solana gives you, I want to say it's a little under 1,000. So we're going to make this an even 2,000. It's about $300. And we're going to hit swap. Boom. Just like that. I'm in the honey space. And I guess I got to start putting a dash cam up, everyone. But these are my 5 favorite altcoins on Solana. I think it's very, very important. If you are way up on your BOEM, you're way up on your WIF, you're way up on your ball, whatever your meme coin might be, ask yourself, where's this coin going to be 12 months from now? I think Bonk's going to perform well. I think maybe BOEM. I think the ecosystem can support a handful of memes. It cannot support 87 dozen meme coins. So most of these are going to trend towards zero. So it's very important you put your profits to quality projects. These are just 5 of my favorite projects. Let me know down below, what is a Solana project that I missed that has to be in the next video? We'll make sure we include it. I'm DZ. We'll see you in your Solana minus your meme bags at the top.